Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the founder and director of Goldman and Associates. Our firm primarily focuses on family law, criminal law as well, and negligence work. If you have any questions about that or you have interest in that, please subscribe to our channel for this information. Today we got a very interesting question from our viewing audience. I'm going to read it to you because the way it's worded, and we do this verbatim, the way it's worded, it's a little hard to tell exactly what the direction of the question is. How is military retired pay decided in a Michigan divorce? Well, military retired pay, which would seem to suggest the pay grade of the individual, that is not decided by a divorce court. That's decided in a military context. I think what the person really means is, when we're trying to determine something like support, what role does a person's military pay play in that? The reason why that's even a question is because if, let's say, somebody has a military stipend that they get every month, but aside from the money, they get, let's say, free housing, or some benefit they get for free as part of the military that me and you would have to pay for. And the question then becomes, well, why should they get that, and isn't that a benefit, and should that be added into the calculation? And in most cases, depending on the benefit, it would be added back into the formula, so that a person can say, well, I only make $1,000 a month, so calculate my support based on that, but yet they're getting all these other benefits that a standard civilian wouldn't get for free and would have to pay for, and therefore would get more money perhaps in order to pay for those things. So generally speaking, the court's going to do what's fair, and if the court feels that that stuff should be added back in most cases it will. And I kind of said it in a way that was inarticulate, because it's not, I said if the court feels that way. It's not about whether or not the court feels that way. The court's going to have to look at certain things and add it back into the formula for the purposes of, for example, child support. So these are obviously issues that are technical. It's going to depend on what particular military benefit we're talking about. The question doesn't really specify. So I would say this: if you've got an issue like that coming up and there's a serviceman involved, and the question is, how do we calculate support and all that? Obviously, reach out to us and we'll be glad to help you out. If that issue is imminent and it's something that's coming up, call now for immediate assistance in that regard.